Good morning, children. How are you, all of you? I think all of fine. Okay. In last class, what we have studied means latitudes. Okay. In last class, latitudes. And where the word came from means Latin words. Latitudo. Just recall all of you. Latitudo. Latitudo means what? The meaning is where. Okay, and today which lines is called the latitudes means it covers around the earth. Okay, these lines are called the latitudes, and the middle and the biggest line is called the equator. Okay, it is called the equator. And today now we can learn about the longitudes. Okay. Longitudes. Longitudes means what? Means these lines are called the longitudes. See, these lines. See, what is the difference between the latitudes and the longitudes means? Latitudes are, it's around the sun, and the lines are when we go through the north side or the south side. North poles or south poles, the lines means the latitudes will reduce their place. See, this line is long and next short and next short, and when we go through the north or south, it's look like a points. Okay, these are the latitudes. And when the longitudes are the same, it covers and it cuts the latitudes. See, these lines are cuts the latitudes. Okay, these are the longitudes, and longitudes also the word came from the Latin word. This also came from the same Latin word. In latitudo, longitudo. Okay, longitudo. Longitudo means what? Means the meaning is length. Longitudo means length. Latitudo means the width. Means this is the width. This space, this occupied space was width, and the longitudes, long, okay, longitudes, and this middle place is called a grid. Grid means oka vala, net, like a net laga untunnadu. So aa madhyalo vachina dots or this place will call as a grids. Okay. And the sun was changed or moving to 1 degrees or length. It will take the time as 4 minutes. Okay, here is the sun. Sorry, east. East is the sun. Means it will changes the sun rays at 1 degree. Means the time taken will as 4 minutes. See, all of you open your page, open your book, page number 10, and see in the longitudes. Okay, it takes 4 minutes for the sun position to move 1 degree. Longitudes, 1 degree longitudes. Here, if the sun was changed their place or positions, means it will take the 4 minutes time to the 1 degree. Okay, 1 degree. If they wants to change, if their position is changing to the or 5 degrees, means how much will time taken? Means 5 into 4 minutes is equals to 20. 20 minutes. The sun changes their position on the earth, means the time will take in 5 degrees. 5 degrees means the time will taken as 20 minutes. Okay. And next, if in before longitudes place means when the sun is directly overhead at 10 degrees east longitude at the local time is 12. If the 10 degrees east longitudes, there the time is 12. Morning means afternoon in way. Okay, afternoon means before అంతకు ముందున్న డిగ్రీస్ లో అంతకు ముందున్న లాంగిట్యూడ్ లో how much the time, what is the time right now there means we have to less the 4 minutes means 11:46 and in a next how much will time take in next longitude, next 1 degree longitude means 12:04. Okay, it will takes the time in between 12 morning. Before longitude means 9 degrees. In 9 degrees the time will 11:46 and in 11 degrees the time is 12:04. It will taken and therefore the world is divided into 24 time zones starting from the Greenwich meridian. Greenwich meridian. What is the Greenwich meridian? What line? Which line is the middle line? It is called Greenwich or meridian line. This is what? 0 degrees. Okay. Here 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135 and 150, 160, 165 and 180 degrees. Okay. Like this the longitudes were divided in degrees. Okay, if the time we can say the time. Now we can say the time. At what degree, at what longitude the time is right now we can say by this and observing these lines. See. So, see, count all of you. 180 into 4. So 24 hours. It will take the 24 hours time to move around this way on a longitudes. The width of the each zone is 15 degrees of longitudes. This means that the difference between one time zone and next time zone is 1 hour of longitude into 1 minutes per degree longitudes. Okay, so 60 minutes. How we can calculate 15 degrees into 4 is equals to 60 minutes means 1 latitudes, 1 longitudes ki move avdaniki 1 hour paduthundi. Ilantivi total we have 24. So it will take the time 1 day. Okay. And next Greenwich meridian, you add time as you go east means east. As we go east, Greenwich meridian you add time. As you go west, Greenwich meridian time you want to reduce or less. If we are going to the east side, we want to add the time 4 minutes. And if we are going to the west side, opposite direction, we have to less or reduce the time. Okay. When it is noon on Monday, 0 longitude on the midday opposite direction. Okay. If east side is 12 midday means 12 AM on Monday. On Monday means at the same time opposite direction in the south side what the time is 12. Here morning means here the midnight. Midnight. What? Tuesday. Means they are just morning on the Tuesday. Okay. Like that the opposite directions are quite opposite, north and south, west. Notice that if you follow the calculated time zone boundaries, some countries would have more than one time zone with less 1 hour division. In each country we have 2 time zones because the longitudes are the sun rays are changing. So we have the 2 time zones. Okay. And for example, India would have 2 hours time zone. That means the time between western and eastern parts of India would be different by 1 hour. So just now we have told, if they wants to move only one longitude, means it will take the time 1 hour. Okay. So if the India has also the 2 time zones because of they changing the positions. Okay. And 1 hour difference time is there. This is considered too complicated and useful. This is what so many of confusion. 2 time zones means we can easily confuse. In such situations, some countries choose the time along one of the meridian that pass through their territories and follow the time of that meridian of the whole country. Okay? Yes. So this is a very complicated situation. So they are using only one line. If the earth meridian through pass along the meridian through their territories, if the meridian line is passing through their territories, they are followed the same time all over the country. పాస్ లైన్ సూర్యకిరణాలు ఒక రేఖ మీద నుంచి వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఆ లైన్ని మాత్రమే తీసుకొని మనకి ఆ లైన్నే ఒక పర్టికులర్ టైంగా క్రియేట్ చేసి పెట్టుకున్నారనమాట. మనం అందరు ప్రతి కంట్రీ ఎవ్రీ కంట్రీ హ్యావ్ 2 టైమ్ జోన్స్, బట్ దే డోంట్ టేక్ దట్ టైమ్, దే టేక్ ద సేమ్. Some countries choose the time along one of the meridian that pass throughout their territories. This meridian line undi kada, this meridian line when they pass on throughout the country, they follow that time only. So we have the IST. IST means what? IST is equals to Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time. Like this, all countries have their own standard time. Okay, Pakistan also have same PST. PST means Pakistan Standard Time. Like that, all countries are maintaining the only one time. The advantages of this is that in India, for example, wherever you are, it is the same time. In countries which span a large number of latitudes, keep it timing more complex. In longitudes, longitudes ఉన్నప్పుడు some more you have longitudes in the same place means there will be changing. Okay, keeping time is more complex. They may divide their country into more convenient time zones, usually with 1 hour difference between one time zone and the next. If the lines are more, if the rays or sun rays are more, means the time zone will be divided as two time zones, and the difference is between 2 time zone is only 1 hour time difference. And we have to avoid confusion of time from one place to another place, 82 degrees 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds eastern longitude. E means eastern longitude is taken as standard meridian time and surveys the India Standard Time. What is the exact Greenwich Standard Time? India's Greenwich Standard Time is 5.5 hours. India's Standard Time is 5.5 hours. Means this 5.5 difference between the north and the east side. Okay, so by this topic means longitude topics, we have completed the first lesson our end. Okay, all of you write down and write in your books whatever it maybe you have, and complete the worksheets also. Go through the lesson once again, those who have the textbooks. Okay, thank you.